Hi, I'm Ben Wood, one of the plastic surgeons, a specialist in plastic surgery.
Hi, I'm Amanda Olsen. I'm a physician assistant injector specialist.
And as part of the Summer Body Series, we wanted to discuss some of the injectable options that you have to get ready for summer.
As we expose our body in the summer heat, there's areas that women like to address due to crepiness, maybe around the upper knees, in our arms, and chest.
And there are also some neuromodulator options to address things like fine lines and wrinkles around the neck and chest, and also to help reduce sweating during the hot summer months.
A big concern for a lot of patients in the summer is sweating because it's hot out, and we're usually dressed formally for weddings and other summertime events. We can address a lot of sweating by injecting a small amount of neurotoxin into the armpits to reduce sweating, usually about 50 to 80%. And that treatment lasts anywhere from 4 months to 14 months, depending on your body's tolerance to the toxin that we're using. This is also a great treatment for men this summer because when they're dressed nice and in their fancy sport coats, out in the summer sun, they can tend to get a little bit sweaty. So it's also an option for men and women.
So now we'll talk about some of the filler options to address areas that you may notice more during the summer months. And those include the chest or décolleté, upper arms, upper thighs, abdomen, and even the neck area. And so in general, when we talk about fillers, we think a lot about adding volume to the face or reducing fine lines and wrinkles there. But there's also a group of fillers called biostimulators that can be used in a way that help tighten the skin. And that's just by stimulating your body to make its own collagen and elastin. And so when we do that procedure, it's relatively quick. It's about 15 or 20 minutes. It's in what we call a hyperdilute form, so we add saline to the product so that we can spread it out in a very fine layer underneath the surface of your skin, and that helps stimulate the collagen and elastin production. And over time, over a series of months, typically it's a 2 or 3 treatment type of approach, and within several months, you're starting to see the tightening effect in those areas.
During the summer months, women often notice their necklines more based on the clothing that we're wearing. If you wanted to treat the banding, we can inject that with a neuromodulator to help smooth out the neck and improve the jawline. However, if it's the horizontal lines that bother you more, Dr. Wood can address that better with a biostimulant agent.
Yeah, so that's done the same way with a hyperdilute form of a product like Radiesse, where it's just injected right underneath the surface of the skin to help stimulate your body to make its own collagen elastin, and that just helps smooth the surface of the skin in that area. So lots of different options in injectables that we want to discuss specific to the summer months.
Some of these procedures take a little bit of time to take effect, so we recommend that you call now to schedule to get your summer body ready.